I have to think about what I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna do a little update on the channel right now while cutting this. It's been a while since I've cut like an oblong melon like this. I think I'll just do half because I don't need the whole thing. Anyways, I just want to do a little update on the channel just because I feel like it's all been like all over the place lately, and I wanted to like maybe just set like a organized situation. This is mainly for me, just so I could like gather my thoughts, and I thought I would just like let you guys know. So like there's certain things that I want to do for you guys like consistently. Like for one, I want to start going live more. Like maybe even this, let me know if I should like go live while cutting things. Cutting things too. Like I want to start doing like maybe a series on like chopping maybe, or like different knife skill things. So if you have any recs on that, let me know too. This is a really nice melon, by the way. It's super red. Smells good. But yeah, cutting would be a cool series. I just want to like start doing more like different series for you guys. I also have the soup series going on, the good soup. I just posted that, kimchi jjigae, and I'm gonna do some more soups. But I mean, just like I said, like I want to keep doing more of these series for you guys. So I want to do it to where it's like say like a good soup on a Saturday or Sunday, and then we can go into like say a live on a Monday, and then say Tuesday will be always better at restaurant series. If you haven't seen that, go check that out too. But yeah, I just want to set it up to where it's like an organized calendar situation, if that makes sense. Because it kind of feels all over the place for me right now. I get an idea and I write it down on my notepad. Like I can even show you right now, my notepad is all over the place. And right now I have like this to-do thing, right? And there's just so many different things on this list. And this is just one of the random lists. And then I just forget about it, and I see another thing that I want to do and end up doing it. It just gets really disorganized. So this is mainly for myself and for you guys, maybe if you want to know like what's going on the channel. I want to also do more vlogs for you guys. So I'll have a vlog day too. But yeah, if you guys are wondering what's going on with the channel lately, that's what's going on. Just need to gather my thoughts, and I'm probably just gonna think of a timeline and stick to that. Do you call it a timeline? You call it like planning, sprint planning, weekly planning? I don't know what you call it, but you know what I mean? Like weekly planning is what I'm gonna start doing. Wow, that's a really good looking melon. It looks so good. Oh, it's got the seeds too. You rarely see watermelon with the black seeds anymore. Nice. That's really good. We also have a good one right here going on. I got some beef jerky. Check that out. So working on a beef jerky video for you guys. Super easy to do, especially in an oven like this. Really like easy countertop oven situation. But yeah, mainly I just wanted to give you guys a little update of what I've been doing and like where I'm going with it. So I'm thinking like good soups, why it's always better at restaurants, then vlogs, and then like chopping series. I think that's enough to go with for the week, right? Some like 4 different things every week. I don't know what a 5th one could be. Maybe just random shorts. Other than that, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, bye.